Hello Bladers! The Mazda Miata is one of the sought-after roadsters in our generation. It's one of the best in its class. But in this video, we want to explore the alternatives in the segment of the Mazda Miata. What could be your other choice? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. There are various types of car lovers, whether you are into that sporty look, that 4x4 wheel junkie, or even that small but simple car. It all differs for each individual. Maybe you want a sports car, but you don't want it to be a Miata, or you don't want to jump in the bandwagon of the Miata crowd? Here are 6 alternatives you might want to consider. Number 1. Honda Beat. Sporting a mid-engine layout with a convertible top may have sparked your interest. In fact, this model is already 25 years old. A tiny roadster that may captivate your road trip experience further. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz SLK. The design of the SLK does not pose a very sporty feel as some of the other cars on this list, but it makes up through its luxurious features that make it perfect as a comfy drop-top cruiser. Number 3. Chevrolet Corvette. Looking for the same Miata feels but with a more powerful strike for the same price? Then the Chevrolet Corvette has you covered. It's practically hard to go wrong with this generation Corvette. Prices for base cars hover in the $15,000 range, and for that you get an LS V8 and a wonderful chassis. Number 4. Toyota MR2. The MR2 is a pretty great purchase. It is a small mid-engine sports car which is powerful and light at the same time. The MR2 is lively and likes to oversteer at the best of days. Early first-generation automotive releases were especially known to be prone to snap oversteer. Number 5. Fiat Barchetta. A lot are actually put off knowing that this badass is a front-wheel drive Fiat. But, as they all say, it's all about the looks. The color of the car and a set of its original steel wheels is as cool as what a 1990s motoring is all about. Number 6. Alfa Romeo Spider. You gotta look twice. It's not the 916 series, GTD-based car. You'll find one of the classic ones knocking out. Gearing up that classic vintage look with a swag is all it is for this hot ride. An Alfa will always be an Alfa. Do you agree with our list of Miata alternatives, or did we miss some of your favorite roadsters? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.